Welcome students in BA part 2. As we were discussing our poem, that is Rabbi Ben Ezra. Poem is very long, divided into various parts, and in each video we have completed 2 or 3 parts daily. Today we will start part number 18 and then later 19-20. As we discussed that Rabbi Ben Ezra is a long narrative poem, then it is must to keep every conception in mind, because every time when we start any new part, same as today, we have to start part number 18. Then the conception of the ideas given in part number 17, part number 16, 15, all previous parts must be clear in mind, because there is the reason. As every part of this point well connected and linked to each other. Step by step we are going to discuss it. So we hope that everything that we finished related to this point, every ideas that is concerning to the part of 18 is in your mind. Briefly, I am mentioning the name, that is life. Life. From yesterday, we are discussing major aspects and ideas related to life. Then we discussed about time, and then 3 parts of time that was given by Rabbi Ben Ezra as their different type of features. Then we discussed present, we also discussed about past, and then we also discussed about future. It was the detail which we understand in single shape, that is the conclusion of life, objectives of life, mission of life, what are the prime reason and cause of life, why we are today in world. All these have their different type of aspects and philosophy. What Rabbi's philosophy says about life, that we presented in our last video, that we discussed in our present time. Our present will connected with the past experience, with the past happenings, as we explained yesterday, that what we are doing today, we get its result tomorrow. What we are getting today, that is the result of yesterday. So your action depends and well connected to past as well as future. Today what we are getting as a result, today what we produced, today what is our achievement, that is not an automatically jump achievement. No, that is the result of past. So what we are doing? We are doing only to getting the result of past, as well as what we are doing today, why we struggling today, why we striving today, why we toil today. Because we want to make our better future. So the result of future, the productivity of future will depend upon your task which we are doing today. So this is the time. Time is the part of life. Here we discussed that present, past and future are well connected. They have their link, and according to that link we must describe life. As in our starting videos of Rabbi, we also discussed the same position as we are discussing today, the combination between life as well as death. Second, the link among body, soul and time. So all these are the basic aspects of life, and we should have clear everything in your mind. Very deep religious point, very deep educational point, and they are hidden various types of the thoughts related to Bible, related to Gita, related to Quran, Mahabharata, Ramayana. There is everything. But this is the mission that is single, that is the mission of life. This is the style that is single, that is how to live life. This is the manner how to spend time. This is the utilization, how to utilize time. This is the use, how to use properly to our time. All these are the part of our life. Today as we will start part number 18, I just request to you everything that is in your mind and proceed that ideas to the broader level now. Means step by step, we are going to touch the secret of life. Step by step, layer by layer, we just touch what the absolute definition, what the actually meaning of life. All these are the part of life, and according to these principles, we can improve our life and make a proper utilization of our task as well as improvement of our life. You are just requested to observe point number 18. First, we just discuss its line and then we will read it. 18. For more is not reserved to man, which shall just love to act tomorrow what he loves today. Here work enough to wash the master work, to catch hints of proper craft, tricks and tools to play. Yes. In the part number 18, there is the link between present and future. अब at the present time and at the future time, poet just connect our youth as well as our old age. They are compared here. Now we can understand that being a human that is very young is presented here, and what a young person can do. What a young person can do. Present time that is given by Rabbi here is used as the youth time, and the future time that is used as the old time. Then Rabbi, what Rabbi says now? Rabbi says that at the present time means in our youth, we have various tasks to do. We have various plans to perform. We have various abilities to do everything. We have more and more capacity to do anything. We have the larger stamina, the great power, and at that time what we want to get everything immediately. We just want to get every achievement, every success immediately. We want that every facility or every enjoyment of the life will be for ours. This is the desire of youth, or what we are thinking. We are thinking, and then one side of mind becomes very weak. Remember, when your diversions are different, when your hits is different, your mind will be loose. How? You never will make a decision there. Means you never will select what is right. And then with right work, you also select the thing that is not right, but going with the right. Understand? Because this happens that at the mind becomes very wandering. Wandering, you can say, gumakkad. At the time, when mind becomes very wandering, then your mind's branches working in different parts. Means your complete devotion, complete dedication, complete hard working, not attached with one particular task, but this complete whole stamina diverted in various sub-branches. What happened then? Then the second part of mind, another part of mind, lost the ability. What ability? That we are spreading our part in we are spreading our powers and stamina in different parts, or in different parts it becomes loose. So this is the request. Every time select the right path, the right decision, and complete ability should be diverted for it to get success. Success requires devotion and dedication. Targets should be fixed. Mission and goals should be fixed and permanent. Then you can only look that particular goal. When your eyesight is wandering on another goals also. Rabbi says that it is weak part of our personality. To try to adjust your eyesight towards only the mission, only the goal. As the incident coming in Mahabharata, when someone, Guru, asked to a very brave person, that is Arjun, what you are looking now? There may be everything there, complete nature there, but what he replies, you know very well. He says that I am looking only one thing, that is my target. I am looking only one thing, that is my goal, and that is the eye of bird. Even I am not looking the bird. I am not looking the bird. I don't know the color of bird. I don't know the size of bird, where the bird was sitting. I don't know anything. I nothing know where he is sitting. It is sitting. Where it is sitting, I don't know. Because dedication must for achievement of target. This is concentration. Concentration makes the power double. Concentration creates the confidence double. Otherwise, your confidence becomes loose. Concentration diverted in different branches. So this is the time when Rabbi says that this is your youth time, this is your present time, where we have various types of the task. So that this is the request of Rabbi. You just select one that is better for your future. You just select one that is better for your future. Because your future will depend upon this best task selected by you. Understand the feelings of Rabbi. That is repeating line now again. For more is not reserved to man. क्योंकि for more, क्योंकि ज्यादा जो है ना, because क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा is not reserved to man. ज्यादा शक्ति इंसान के पास पावर हमेशा नहीं रहता. पावर अपने पास हमेशा नहीं रहेगा. This is the stamina of once upon a time when he was powerful. Time changes. Keep mind always. If you are powerful today, it is not sure you will be powerful tomorrow. If we are weak today, it is not possible that we always be weak till last. No, everyone changes according to time. Power is also changes. तो ये जो स्टेमिना और जो यूथ की पावर है, that will finish soon. That will finish soon. So at that time you just utilize the proper utilization of this time so that you can make a bright future. With shoal just nerve. अब तो ऐसा टाइम है कि आपकी shoal इसके लिए nerve है, able है, योग्य है. It can do anything. You can do anything. Your stamina is allowed to you. Your power is allowed to you. So try to make adjustment and try to make the complete justification and significant of your stamina and power to act tomorrow. क्योंकि to act tomorrow आप कल वही करोगे what he learns today. जो आज वो सीखेगा. आज is using for youth, कल is using for old. तो on which our old age depends, our old age depends upon youth. Today is using for present time and tomorrow is using for future. Your future depends upon your present. This was the main conception that was given by Rabbi. That your future depends upon present. Try to make your present better so that your future will be more better. It will be created best. And next क्या लिखा है देखिए. Here works enough to watch. Here यहाँ पे यूथ में प्रेजेंट टाइम में अब करंटली वर्क एनफ टू वॉच, अपने पास बहुत सारे काम दिखाई दे, मीन्स वी हैव वेरियस वर्क टू डू, वी आर एबल टू डू वेरियस टास्क, वी हैव पावर टू डू वेरियस परफॉर्मेंस। अब तो अपने पास इतनी शक्ति और स्टेमिना है दैट वी कैन डू वेरियस टास्क। तो फिर क्या करेंगे? कैन डिवोटेड इन ऑल वेरियस, कैन स्प्रेड आवर पावर टू ऑल, कैन डिवाइड आवर स्टेमिना इन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ ऑल दीज वर्क? नो। क्या लिखा है? द मास्टर वर्क। देन यू जस्ट सेलेक्ट द मास्टर work and used for one who is master. Who is our master? Master is used for God, Malik. So the master work is now using for the best work for whom you are here. उस व्यक्ति का कार्य कीजिए जिसके लिए आपका मालिक का काम क्या है। What is our work? That is prescribed by the Lord. We are here not ourselves but by Him. To divert yourself, divert your stamina to the power to work as the permission and direction, suggestion of God. ईश्वर ने आपको जिस कार्य हेतु यहाँ पे भेजा है, select that. हो सकता है there are various types of work. There are various types of actions and tasks you can complete it today. But no, that is not for you. What is for you? You select. And how you can select? You can select it with the direction and the suggestion of God. And everyone must know what is the objective of life, why we are here today. And then, and catch hints of power, craft, tricks and tools to play. And catch hints of proper craft. संकेत प्राप्त कीजिए। प्रॉपर क्राफ्ट, पूरी कलाकारी के साथ, ट्रिक्स, मैनर के साथ, टूल टू प्ले, एक सच्चे खेल, लाइफ, दिस इज लाइफ। उसके टूल क्या है? व्हाट आर द इक्विपमेंट्स, व्हाट आर द टूल्स ऑफ दिस प्ले? प्ले इज यूज्ड फॉर द जर्नी ऑफ लाइफ, प्ले इज यूज्ड फॉर द जर्नी ऑफ लाइफ। तो दिस वाज द मीनिंग दैट वाज गिवन रिलेटेड लाइफ इन आवर पार्ट नंबर 18. We are only discussing one part till now. In that one part, we have discussed about the combination of present and future. This combination of present and future is given through the detail of youth and old. So according to that detail, we can easily prove that both are well connected. Our youth and aged, both periods are well connected and interdependent. Today we in youth means we have spent the time as the task completed by us in past. Today we are completing our task and action. Its result we will get at the time when we just become very old. Now we just come on part number 18. Then now you observe part number 19. Part number 19. First we just observe the 19. As it was better you should strive though through acts uncount towards making the repose on old found man. So better is a jet from strife should know than tempt further. Thou weddest is wed that not be afraid. Now in this part number 19, it is also a part of life. It is also a principle of life. And what is basically part number 19 says? That is speaking about nearness of death. Or you can say it is latter old age. In part number 19, Rabbi says about latter old age as well as nearness of death. In last part, we have discussed about the powers, stamina, ability, capacity of our youth. Now at the time when we just reached in old. Can we use all these power and stamina? No. What we can do there? Observe with me. As it was better, युवावस्था में जो चीज आपके लिए प्रयास बेटर से बेटर हो सकते थे, यूथ शुड स्ट्राइव, उस यूथ में अपने को स्ट्राइव ऐसी मेहनत करनी चाहिए। थ्रू एक्ट्स अनकाउंट, हालांकि उस समय अनकाउंट थे, have not their proper meaning or meaning, we have not counted them, घिसे old पुराने थे। टुवर्ड्स मेकिंग, लेकिन अपन ने उसको टुवर्ड्स मेकिंग एक प्रोजेक्टिविटी के तौर पे, उसको एक प्रोग्रेस के तौर पे परफॉर्म किया। देन रिपोज, बजाय आलस के, सोने के, और टू फाउंड मैट सो बेटर एज, इसलिए अब आप उसके बाद एक अच्छा बुढ़ापे को प्राप्त कर पाओगे। एग्जेप्ट, जिसमें आपको एग्जेप्ट मिलेगा, एग्जेप्शन मिलेगा, छूट मिलेगी, रिलैक्सेशन मिलेगा। किसमें? एट द टाइम वेन यू रीच इन योर ओल्ड एज, यू जस्ट फाउंड ए रिलैक्सेशन। किससे? फ्रॉम स्ट्राइफ, ये जो झगड़े हैं, लड़ाइयाँ हैं, स्ट्रगल है, लाइफ के स्ट्रगल है, लाइफ की भागदौड़ है, इन सबसे आपको आजादी मिलेगी। शुड नो, जानिए, जानना चाहिए। देन टेम्प्ट फर्दर, तब आपको ज्यादा जो टेम्प्ट आप करते थे, लालायित रहते थे इच्छाओं की पूर्ति, उससे भी अब आपको आजादी मिलेगी। आप ज्यादा टेम्प्टेड नहीं रहोगे। द वेटेस्ट एज, ये आपकी वेट करने की एज, इंतजार करने का युग है। वेट डेथ, केवल मृत्यु का इंतजार करेंगे। नोर बी एफ्रेड, और डरने की कोई बात नहीं है। दिस इज द मेन मीनिंग that was given in part number 19, that in 19th part there is the attachment of death, nearness of death, and a man when becomes very suffered with old period, after later on he just expire. Then Rabbi says that whatever you want to do, you can finish it in your limit. Whatever your achievements of life, whatever your success to be attempted by you, must be finished in your age, yes, youth. Because this is only your youth where you can lead, where you can achieve, where you can gain, where you can accept all the challenges. Because after that time, when this particular time will finish, you just take your steps in another age. Or in that another age, there was not any opportunity to be given. No, then there is not any power to be given to you. There is not any stamina that you are looking in your body, and everything becomes very loose and weak. Then what you can do? You cannot do anything. You never do anything, because in our life, every task is depends upon every span of life. Life we have discussed various types of spans in our first and second videos. In every span of life, in every part of life, our task pre-designed, our activities pre-described, our result depends upon task, our aims must be clear. All these have their different type of ideas in different type of ages. Then Rabbi says that, तो रब्बी कहता है, this is your time to finish all. This is your time to complete all, because at the time of latter age, you never do anything after willingly. आप चाहकर भी कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे. And that better old age will depends upon your today's task, because at that time, बहुत सुंदर बात लिखी, you will just get rid, आपको मुक्ति मिलेगी। किससे? स्ट्रगल ऑफ लाइफ। किससे? एबिलिटी, पावर, स्टेमिना, स्ट्रगल, स्ट्राइफ, पजलिंग एटमोस्फियर, एंड यू विल गेट, आपको वन थिंग एक मिलेगी, एक चीज जरूर मिलेगी। वन थिंग वी मस्ट फाउंड इन लेटर ओल्ड एज. दिस इज वन थिंग, आइदर दैट इज वेरी रिच or that is very poor. One must get one thing in later old age. In later old age, and then that is wait. क्या मिलेगा? केवल wait, इंतजार, and this is the weight that was used by the poet is the weight of death. आपको केवल मृत्यु का इंतजार करना पड़ेगा. So make a proper balance between your youth and old. It was the matter of point number 19. We just read our next part. Every part is well connected and linked also. If we forget the last part, it is not possible to understand the next part. So we just start our next part, that is part number 20. What the basic detail in part number 20? So first read the text of poem. And of now if the right and good and infinite be named here, as thou told thy hand to know, with knowledge absolute subject to no dispute, from foes that crowded you, not let thee feel alone. What happened at this time? Every type of the combination, every type of the adjustment that was given here. What Rabbi says? Rabbi says that the art of life and skill of life is very confusing. It is very complex, or one who can learn this art must know the art of living. One who can know this strategy of life, Chakru, must know a suitable and proper life. So this was the adjustment. Who can create this adjustment? We, human being, can create this adjustment. Which type of adjustment it is? It is the adjustment among three ages, as we discussed. It is the adjustment among three ages. That is your present, that is your past, or that is your future. So every time you just adjust everything. One who can adjust it can make a proper plan and can learn the art and strategy of life. That was presented in part number B. It is art of life. What the art of life? To learn everything in which you are living. In which age you are living, you just know the feature and task of this age. This is the masterpiece. If you are a child, you just know the features of child and you just act according to the quality of a child. Then in our youth, before youth and after youth, every time your task is different. There is the time of your study and education. You devote yourself, completely dedication there to achieve the goal of education, to achieve the goal of success. When there is the liabilities of family, there is the burden of various liabilities, you just accept it and try to solve everything with your physical power, intellectual power, spiritual power, with your capacity, with your ability and with your strength and stamina. Then you becomes very old, live life easily there, because there is not any chance to do, there is not any power to do, or there is not any work to do. So these are the basic principles of life. As in which life we are living, we must understand the conception of that part of life. One who know about the conception of life must live life happily. How our life will be happily, how it will be good or bad, that is not depends upon others. That is depends upon us. We are the maker of our life. We are the objective of our life. We just select what is good for us. We must select this is good and this is bad. We just select our way of life, that this is my right way and I must forward on this way. This is my bad way and I should not be diverting this side. Never I keep our face in this side. So who decided it? It was decided by us. We are only the maker of our life. and we can make every part of our life with enjoyment, with happiness, and only we, there is nothing that can purchased in the market. Your happiness, your enjoyments are coming from your inside. Try to search out it. In our next video, we will start the next part of it. Thank you.